viewers and subscribers, you never wake in the morning and when you pull your door, look outside, you feel like you live inside of a wilderness because all of the trees around. We don't know, say we need the shade and we need the trees, but trust me, I have to cut some to get the place a little light. As you can see in my background here, yeah, I cut most of my tree here to get a little light. You know, a little more clearance. See? Yeah, man. If you're new here, my name is Ever Slick, and don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Stick and stay. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, nice view, don't it? Yeah, this place was very dark and bushy, but trust me, you know, do a little chopping, yeah, get rid of a little tree out of the way, a little tree limb, as you can see here. I cut the lower part of the limb, all these wisps of this mango tree here, cut it off. As you can see, the noni tree, I cut off all those low limbs, you know what I mean? Yeah, as you can see down there, place is more clear. But I'm gonna show you somewhere where I have to do some more cleaning up because there is very bushy. As you can see in my TV back here, my TV back is always up, don't it? Yeah, man. Turmeric, ginger, pepper, yeah, sweet pepper. Later plant some sweet pepper here. Yeah, yeah, man. That is my TV back. Alright, my viewers. Up here, you notice the place is very bushy. Let me go around over this dark piece of bush here. I'm gonna go underneath here and cut it away, you know. Cut the lower limbs, yeah, make it look a little bit lighter, you know, get some clearance in the place, man. Yeah, for real. As you can see up here, very grassy and very bushy. Yeah, very grassy and very bushy. Yeah, all these here I need to cut away. So day by day I'm gonna do it little by little. Cut away all these bushes, you know what I mean? Yeah, right around here I'm gonna do some farming over here. So that's the reason why I back it round with the fridge, because I'm gonna do some farming here. Have some pumpkin over here, nice pumpkin too. Yeah, lovely bunch of banana there. But here it's very high in grass and bushes. Yeah, so I'm gonna do some cutting, cut down all these, you know what I mean? All these high bushes, I'm gonna cut it down. Yeah, man.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yeah, as you can see, jelly, we have a lot of jelly on tree right here. We have some dry one on the tree also. Alright, this side of the bush here, yeah, cut this side here, get it lighter, you know, because this is, here is nearer to home, so you don't know, have to make a cut here very quickly. Yeah, clear it out, make it look nice, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, over here I have a lovely bunch of banana over here, as you can see. Nice, don't it? Yeah. I'm doing a video on it also, but it don't reach where I can upload it as yet. Yeah, I do a video on this banana plant here from it just before it shoot until it put out all these hands. Yeah, it have 9 hands on it right now. So every other day I do a video about it. Yeah, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put all those clips together to make a full video. But I'm not gonna do it until when the banana is ready to cut. You understand? Yeah, pigs. Turn back. Ah, these are pigs. Watch the pigs. Yeah. This is what's happening inside the backyard here. Yeah. We have the pond down here. Watch the pig, watch the pig, watch the pig, watch the pig. This one get away. Yeah. So we have the pan here. As you can see, I cut down this calabash tree. Yeah, to get some light, because right here was very dark with this calabash tree grow up, you know. So I climb it and cut it. Yeah. Right under here was very dark also. So I do some cutting here too also. Get some light inside. Yeah, but here is the pond. Here's the pond. And fish inside of this pond here. Fish inside here. So soon as the water is getting lower, it's time to catch out the fish them, you know what I mean? Yeah. Over here we have guava plaza over here. The reason why we call it guava plaza, it's pure guava tree over there. Yeah. So yeah man, this is the pond view, you know. This is where all the water run from. You know, from up the top road, all the water run come down here. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, I have an apple tree here. This apple tree, it doesn't matter how the apple look, or it bare, or it pretty, the apple don't good. Look underneath here. Yeah, them don't good. Them don't good. Doesn't matter how the tree bare, them don't good. Yeah, them have a bitter taste. Yeah, but it always bare. But it have a bitter taste. But I have a next apple tree over here. It have a blossom on it right now. And trust me, that one is a apple tree. Yeah, that one is an apple tree. You know what I mean? This one don't go. This is the nestberry, the nestberry, the nestberry. Look much nestberry. And one here is four of them. This is how this tree here bear. Tree here. Know what I mean? Yep. Jackfruit. But no jackfruit is on it right now. Yep. So yes, my viewers, over here, I'm gonna do some more cleaning up over here. Yeah, up the line here, some more cleaning up. Alright, stick and stay. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. Yes, I. Star apple is out of season right now. Star apple is out of season. I'm going to the apple tree. I have two small apple tree over here, and trust me, this apple tree here, it's not good. Is it load? Them don't have any taste. Them taste bitter. They ain't heat. I mean, I have a black banana tree here. We call it black banana here in Jamaica, but it is a purple color looking banana. Yeah, the plant look purple, and when it bears, it look purple also. Yeah, we call it black banana here in Jamaica. Alright, these are the two apple trees. Yeah, when I say apple tree, I mean apple tree. Yeah, the smallest one don't have any blossom, but this one full of blossom. Yeah, this one have on blossom a lot. So sooner or later we're going to have apple. This is the real apple. Yeah, this is the real apple. Yeah, this is the calabash tree. Yeah, and I cut it down. I cut it down to limb by limb, right down. Yeah, clear up the place. You know what I mean? Yeah. This is the fun view again. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, coconut tree. This coconut tree have on dry coconut in it. So most of the time when I hear coconut dry, yeah, this is where I get coconut from. Alright. Alright, my viewers and my subscribers. It's all about blessings, my people.